Hi and welcome to OnceHub videos. I'm Deepak from the OnceHub team. In our previous videos, we explored how to automate booking events using OnceHub and Make. If you missed them, check out the links in the description. In this video, I'll show you how to use the booking reschedule by customer trigger in OnceHub with Make to automatically capture these details in a Notion customer meeting tracker. So imagine a customer schedules a meeting but later needs to reschedule due to a scheduling conflict. While OneSub handles the change, teams may still need visibility into who rescheduled, why, and when the new meeting is scheduled. So in this workflow, Make will receive the reschedule event and creates a structured Notion record with the guest booking, reschedule reason, and updated meeting details, eliminating manual tracking. It is beneficial to use Notion as it is a centralized searchable history of scheduling activity, making this especially useful for sales, customer success, recruiting and operations team that need better visibility into customer scheduling changes. So let's jump in and automate this. Go to your OneSub account, click gear icon and select account integration. Here locate Make and click setup on Make. It will take you to the Make website. An existing user will hit sign in, else they can create a new account by clicking get started free. When you hit sign in, it will take you to the Make dashboard. To start the workflow, click create scenario. Search for your first app, that is OneSub, and select trigger watch booking reschedule. Click create a webhook, give your webhook a name and hit save. Save one more time. Now we need to capture the details by making an event in our OneSub account. So I'll reschedule an event as a customer. Hit run once and let me open my email that has booking confirmation details. So hit reschedule, select new date and time, reschedule region. Let me quickly copy that and select reschedule. So our meeting is rescheduled. Now go back to Make and you will see the payload details. Now it's a time to map this information or send it to our Notion app. So click plus icon, select Notion and click show more. And our action would be create a data source item. So I have already made a connection between Notion and our OneSub app. So if you are very first time user, then please ensure you are using secure connection using your OneSub API key and notifications that you will receive in Notion while authenticated with Make. So you will have two option here: input method by general fields or specific fields. I'll select specific field because we will be mapping some information. Now click on ID finder and we will get this ID from our Notion app. So let me open Notion, click this ID and go back to Make. Click on ID finder, in query search, paste your ID. Let it search for our details. There you go. So now it's a time to map the details. So meeting subject, meeting status, reschedule region, and guest name. Again, we will need to manually this map this information in this format, and I'll capture the details from data conversation answers, and it has first value as full name and second would be email. So guest email and answer will be to and get the information about action by new booking ID and old booking ID that you can get here. So once mapping looks good, hit save. Okay, okay, everything looks good. Hit save and run our scenario with the previous data. Run once, and there you go. You will see these two check boxes. Those confirm that our workflow is working fine and data is sent. Now let's see how it is showing up at Notion. So if you come here, you will see the mapped information is now showing up. All the details that we mapped from OnceHub to Notion is now showing up. So come back to make and hit our hit save to save this scenario. So uh, as you can see, Notion has automatically created a record with the customer's information, booking details, the schedule reason, and updating bidding information. The entire process happened automatically from the moment customer rescheduled their meeting. So let's talk about the business value and the bigger picture of this workflow. A single reschedule may not seem significant, but when a team manages hundreds of meetings, manual tracking these changes can become difficult. With this workflow, every customer reschedule is automatically captured in one searchable location. Teams can review scheduling patterns, understand common rescheduling regions, and maintain a history of customer interactions. And because the data comes directly from OneSub, teams can extend these workflows beyond Notion into other business tools they already use. And that is how you can use OneSub, Make, and Notion to automatically track customer rescheduling activity. This is just example of how you can use OneSub booking data to connect scheduling with the tools processes your business already relies on. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.